I wait till morning until the sun kisses my eyes, and I watch the crowning of the trees with a halo of eyes, and I wait for the motion of your shape through the window pane, for the blinds to open and your voice call my name. And I'll be waiting 300 mornings until the ice breaks, 300 sunsets, 300 dawnings until your heart will awake. And you know once you told me you were ready for this love, and so I'll be waiting every evening when it gets dark. And I'll be waiting 300 mornings until the ice breaks, 300 sunsets, 300 dawnings until your heart will awake. And there will be rain, there will be wind slapping against my face, but I will stay here 300 nights, 365 days. Oh, 365 days. And I'll be waiting 300 mornings until the ice breaks, 300 sunsets, 300 dawnings until your heart will awake.